What's up, military millionaires? How would you like to reduce the cost of your renovation materials by 10% instantly? Well, with the Home Depot and Lowe's military discounts, you can do exactly that. Both Home Depot and Lowe's offer a 10% military discount that can help you reduce any renovation budget immediately. Now, 10% might not seem like a lot, but if you're doing a 30,000 renovation and the cost of materials is even just 5 grand, which it's probably a little bit more than that, it adds up very quickly, right? That's 500 bucks saved one renovation. So there are a few things you need to know in order to take advantage of these discounts. Lowe's and Home Depot both offer these discounts, and our goal with this video is to equip you to use these discounts to your advantage for years to come, right? That way the savings just keep on coming. Now, these discounts used to exist only on major holidays, but now they're year-round, which is awesome. So we're gonna go through the Home Depot discount first. Now, I've personally taken advantage of the Home Depot military discount many times, right? This discount is offered year-round, and it has really helped me over the years with saving some money. Now, I mean, it's not gonna make you rich, but it's nice. Now, for example, recently I was furnishing my upstairs bedroom to rent on Airbnb, and I used Home Depot for most of the materials. Easy way to save 10 bucks, save me a couple, or 10%, save me a couple hundred bucks on the costs. And then I was able to write off the expenses on taxes too, which is great, right? So how do you sign up for it? Well, Home Depot doesn't really have an official registry for the military discount, so there's no way to sign up for it. But that being said, as long as you have your ID on you and you show it to them at the counter when you're checking out, you will receive this military discount. Now, as convenient as an official registry is, it's really easy to receive the discount. You just show the card. Like, it doesn't get much easier than that. Now, on top of that, there are a whole bunch of sales that Home Depot offers, and you can find some killer discounts just by looking through the discounts online, right? So 10% is great, but there might be some bigger discounts out there anyway. Now, here's a couple additional details because there are some things that you need to know as far as the military discount policy for Home Depot. For example, the 10% discount is only valid for the first $500, right? You can only receive $50 off on a single trip to Home Depot, but if you're doing a big renovation and you're doing it yourself, like, you just spend 500, like, you're not gonna spend 10 grand on one day. You're gonna spend smaller bits and pieces here and there, right? Now, there's some exclusions to this policy, like installations or appliances, gift cards, and online purchases. Yeah, I know you can't do it online, but whatever. Still an awesome discount, right? All you have to do, show your military ID or DD-214, veteran ID, whatever, in order to verify that you're eligible as a military service member, veteran, whatever, for this discount. It is limited to stores inside the U.S., and it's offered to all active duty service members, reservists, disabled veterans, and immediate families. Now, if you're not a disabled veteran, you may be limited to major holidays, but it never hurts to just ask, right? Discounts offered year-round. It is subject to change, right? So you never know. And if you're not a veteran, but you're retired, again, if you're not retired or disabled, it may still only be eligible for holidays, so check. And you can always check the website to see what additional information is being offered, or just build relationships with your local store, right? You never know. So there's definitely additional discounts offered on major holidays and stuff, so just make sure you look around to get the best discount. All right, now Lowe's. The Lowe's military discount. A little bit different program, right? So this has proven to be a huge benefit to me since moving to Oceanside. I live within walking distance of a Lowe's, so I get this discount on everything, and I'm there all the time buying junk. Not all junk. Like, hey, these floating shelves are from Lowe's. 10% off, woo! So I've used it many times on tools, materials, Airbnb stuff, decorations, whatever, projects around the house, So I absolutely recommend that you take advantage of the Lowe's military discount, especially if you're doing any renovations around your home or for rental properties or whatever, right? So the way you sign up for the My Lowe's program is you just go to this website, right? And I'll put the link down below for the My Lowe's website, and you create an account. There will be a banner under your account settings, and then you go in there and you just verify your military service. So they'll have a pretty easy walkthrough where you complete the registration process to include your name, date of birth, military branch, service, date of separation, and you can leave that blank if you're still in the military, and then you should be verified instantly. Now, if that's not the case, they may ask you to upload some documentation to verify your current or past military service. So just stay a little flexible. It really kind of depends on your personal situation. But once you're in this program, you can add an account. You can add a phone number to your account, so you don't have to carry around their little membership card, or you can use their membership card. So that way, if you leave your military verification, or you don't have to walk around with your DD-214, you can still use this discount. And service members, like your wife, your immediate family, can use this discount just with your phone number or if they have that card. Only immediate family members, but still, your wife can go to the, or husband can go to the Lowe's with the card or your phone number and use your discount. So my Lowe's card at checkout, just give them the card or your phone number, and then you get the 10% discount. Now, it only applies to your spouse or children under the age of 18, but it's still awesome. As with anything, there are a few exceptions to the Lowe's discount program, such as other offers, right? Like you can't use the military discount with other coupons or promotions or markdowns, which includes price matching. And it can't be applied to previous purchases or to gift cards or services like installation or assembly. Just kind of common sense, right? Like they're not going to let you discount something where they're paying an hourly wage for someone to install it anyway, whatever. You can't redeem this discount for cash or transfer it to ineligible persons or combine it with other discounts. And that includes management discounts. There are other exclusions that may apply depending on your situation. Just make sure to look at the store details to confirm. There's a $5,000 limit to my Lowe's for purchases, so you could save $500 per trip, which is awesome. And that's great, especially if you're doing any kind of home renovation or DIY products, because it's an instant $500 savings, which is great. Some details about the policy that you should be aware of. Again, to receive the discount, you must be currently serving in the military or a veteran of the U.S. Armed Forces or the immediate family member of that person. You must enroll in the My Lowe's program online, and you have to have either your membership card or the phone number associated with your account in order to utilize the discount. Also, be prepared to physically verify your military status with an ID card when checking out. It doesn't necessarily have to be a military ID, but that'll definitely help. But just make sure you're able to verify your identification, at checkout, because they may ask for that. And the main ways to prove your eligibility for both Home Depot and Lowe's discounts are military ID card, veteran ID card, and then there's other ways that might prove your service, but the best is just a military ID card or veteran's ID. You don't want to be running around with your DD-214, and some states do driver's license with a veteran indicator, others don't. So, it is what it is, right? Make things easy for them. This is just a discount that they're providing. This isn't like it's not the end of the world if you don't get it one time. You can use a VA healthcare card or the driver's license with the veteran's designation. And there's some other ways, right? So again, just to reiterate, there's some exceptions like installation, services, manufacturer limitations, clearance items, commodities. And there might be, there's some dollar limits, and all of this is really subject to change. So just understand again that this is a discount. It's really nice that they're doing this, but don't ever be that veteran or dependent or whatever who's like super angry if you can't get it the one time. Like don't raise hell. Don't create a stink. Don't create a scene. Don't go viral online for being that entitled veteran, right? Sometimes the clerk or the manager might just not know about these discounts, or they may say it's unavailable, and you can always ask to see a copy of their military discount policy, but it depends on how much you're saving. That just might not be worth it, right? Perhaps you don't have the right kind of military verification they require, or the item you're purchasing isn't, is excluded from the discount. So ultimately, as I said, a military discount is great. It's not the end of the world to pay full price periodically, so please just don't be a dick to the clerk or management at these stores. And again, there's always the price match, right? So you never know. You might be able to go to Home Depot and price match something from Lowe's and get it better even without the discount, or vice versa. So always ask, do your shopping, be smart, and see what's up. And then also there'll be some links down below, or you can go check out the full article on this on the website. I'll link to that as well, and I'll post more information there. So I hope that this has been really helpful, and I hope it helps you save a lot of money on your renovations and other things in life. Let me know if you have any issues with this, or if you have any other discounts you'd like me to talk about, and I hope that this is awesome. Have a great day.